to the inside. Let's go. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Slip. Slip. 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Slip. 1, 2. 1, 2. Slip. 2. 1, 2. Slip. 2. Follow my cadence. Follow my cadence. 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 2. Give me 3 jabs. 1, 1, 1. Come on. 1, 1, 1. Give me some better jabs than that. 1, 1, 1. Give me 2, 2. Double up 2. 2, 2. Come on. 2, 2. There you go. Slip. 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 Slip the other way. Slip. Slip. There you go. We're gonna roll now. Roll. Roll to the inside. Roll to the inside. 1. 1, 1. 1, 2. Slip. 1, 2. Slip. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Match my speed. 1, 1, 2. These are flick jabs. Come on. 1, 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2. That needs to be stronger than that. 1, 2. Rotate your hips. Rotate your hips. 1, 2. There you go. Come on. 1, 1. There you go. 1, 1, 2. There you go. Give me that power with that 2. 1, 1, 2. Load up. 1, 1, 2, 2. There you go. That's taking too low. 1, 1, 2, 2. Here we go. 1, 1, 2, 2. Come on. 1, 1, 2, 2. There you go. A little bit harder. 1, 1, 2, 2. 1. 3 jabs. 1, 1, 1. Move faster. 1, 1, 1. Come on. 1, 1, 1. There you go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Slip. 1, 2. Slip. 1. There you go. 1, 2. Slip. 1. 1, 2. Slip. 2. 2. That's it. 1, 2. Slip. 2. 2. Slip. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it, champ. That's what I'm
Let's
looking
get it.
for. That's what I'm looking for. Keep it up, champ. Keep it up. Keep it up. All right, look. This time I want you to move around the bag a little bit, okay? I want you to go around the bag, sidestepping around the bag. I want you to pop that jab. Pop it strong,
I don't have
pop it fast.
anybody in here yet.
I tell you to pop it
We'll
strong,
see.
Pop it strong with a stiff jab, okay? I want you to step into that jab when it's a stiff jab, okay? When it's a flick jab, just flick. Let's go. Jab. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. 1, 2. That low. 1, 2. Go low with the 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Side step. 1. Side step. 1. Side step. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. Take the 1. Come back with the 2. Feint 2. Feint 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 2 jabs. Low 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Slip. 1, 1. Switch stances. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, slip. 1, 2, slip. 1, 1, 2, slip. 1, 1, 2, slip. 1, 2. 1, 2, switch back. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Slip. Slip. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Rolls to the right. 1, 2. Rolls to the right. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Slip. 1. 1, 2, 1, 2. Slip. Let's get it. Come on, let's go. Jab. 1. Cross. 2. Hook. 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip. Slip. 1, 2, 3. Slip. Slip. 1, 2, 3. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Roll. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3. 3. Don't let up. 3. 3. 3. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Slip. Side step. Side step. 1. 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 1. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 3. 1, 1, 2. 3. Slip. Slip. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Faster. 1, 2, 3. Faster. 1, 2, 3. Power on that 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. That 1 and that 2 is a speed. Just give me that power on that 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, slip. 1, 2, 3. Roll. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's it. 1. 1, 1. Give me that. 1. 1, 1. There you go. 1, 2. There you go. That 2 needs to be hard. 1, 2. 2. That 1's just to give me the flinch. 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's it. That's it, champ. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Roll. 1, 2, 3. Roll to your left. 1, 2, 3. Roll to your left. 1, 2, 3. Roll to your left, champ. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Roll to your left. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 2. And to the body. 1, 2, 3. 2. To the body. 1, 2, 3. 2. Side step. Side step. Side step. Roll. 1, 1. Way to go, champ. Way to go, champ. Way to go.
Let's get it.
You're looking good out there. Now we're gonna make it a 4-punch combo.
Oh my God.
We're gonna add a lot more movement though.
Woo.
It could be a 1-2-1-2, or it can be a 1-2-3.
Boxing is so fun. Working out at home is always hard.
We're gonna be an orthodox Relax stance.
Haven't done this in a minute. Let's go.
Make sure you slip. Make sure you slip.
All right.
1. 1, 1. Side step. 1, 1. Give me 4 jabs. 1, 1, 1, 1. A little bit faster. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 3. I want you to be high and then low. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 3. Yeah. 3, 3. Side step to the right. 1, 1. Side step to the right. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2 dip. 1, 2 dip. 1, 2 dip. 3. 1, 2
Come on.
Dip, 3.
There you go.
1, 2. 1, 2. Slip. Roll. 1, 2. Slip. Roll. 1, 1, 2. Slip. Roll. 3. 3. Double it up. 3, 3. 3. 3, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Slip. 1, 2. 1, 2. Slip. 1, 2. Slip. 2. Come on, give me that.
1, 2, slip 2.
1, 2. Slip. 2. I need more power with that 2. 1, 2. Slip. 2. There you go. 1, 2. Slip. 2. 1, 2. Slip. 2. Roll. 1, 2. Slip. 2. Roll. Roll to the side. You're going up 2 at. 1, 2. Slip. 2. Roll. 1, 2. Slip. 2. Roll. Come on now. 1, 2. Slip. 2. Roll. You gotta give it to me better than that. 1, 2. Slip. 2. Roll. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Double it 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2. Roll. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2. Roll. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2. Roll. Slip. Slip. 1, 2. Slip. 3. 3. 2. Roll. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2. Roll. Slip. Slip. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2. Roll.
Let's see if we got anybody to join.
Side step.
Nobody yet. All right, no worries.
All right, this right here is the championship round. I need you to go as hard as you can. Throw lightning fast 1-2 punches. Throw those jabs and crosses as fast as you can. Pay attention though, because I'm gonna call a number out, and that's the number of hooks I want
Lightning
you to
punches.
in the middle of your
Championship round.
So if I say
This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2s.
so 3 hooks.
That's it.
Roll whatever you want.
Nothing
As long
but
as the
that.
hooks is all good, and get right back into the lightning.
Let's go with it.
fast 1-2. It's the burnout championship round, champ. Let's get it.
Out of shape.
That's my pace. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. Keep it up. 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 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3. 4. That's those 1, 2s. Come on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. There you go. Keep it up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that's looking good. That's looking good. Give me 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to those half ones. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Keep it going. Keep it going. There you go. Give me 6 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. One more time. 6 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Those light punches, okay? Let's go. Keep up that speed. Keep up that speed. There you go. Give me 2 hooks. Back to the lightning punches.
Let's go.
Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Come on, let's go faster. Let's go faster. Come on. 3 hooks. 1, 2, 3. 3 hooks. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Back to the lightning punches. Let's go. Let's go. Push, push. Push, push. Push it like you want it. Push it like you want it. It's championship rounds. It's championship rounds. Let's get it. Give me 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Back to the lightning punches. Come on, give me that speed. Give me that speed. Give me that speed. Speed. Just keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. 6 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Back to lightning punches. Back to lightning punches. Here we go. That's it. That's champ. That's champ. 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. Keep it up. Lightning punches. Lightning punches. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push it like you want it. Push it like you want it.
I want this.
Come on.
Let's go.
Champ.
Let's go.
Champ.
Let's go.
Let's go. We got this. Give me 3 hooks. 1, 2, 3. Give me 3 hooks. 1, 2, 3. Back to the lightning punches. Back to the lightning punches. We don't feel this. Back to the lightning punches. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. We're almost there. Back to the lightning punches. 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3. Back to the lightning punches. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Push through. Rotate. Push through. Push through. 1, 2. 1, 2. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me 6 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to the lightning punches. Here we go. Here we go. Give me 4 hooks. Again. 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. They got a little bit. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 4 hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4. About champ. Talking about champ.
All right.
Good job. Good job, champ. Way to go.
Yeah.
Way to go, champ.
Yeah.
Amazing out there right
Boy,
now.
tell you this snowstorm
Championship form. That's what we're talking about. That's why we
slowed me down that quick.
keep that up. You do
All that
this,
food.
do it again.
You know how it is.
We got this 100%. Let's go get
We're gonna pause that right quick. Listen. You gotta try something. Gotta do something at home. You can't just sit on your butt. You gotta get up. You gotta try something. 40. I'm in my 40s. But that's not an excuse to not do anything in the best shape of my life. That's real talk. So it really should be no excuse if you're older. If you can make it happen, get something. You ain't gotta get no nozzle bag, but you can go ahead and get you something. You can do shadow boxing if you need to. Boy, this is fun. Let's make this a daily thing. Peace.